Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video, this is a craft that I've done in the past, but I recently came back to it, and this is using rubber bands to make jewelry, earrings specifically. Now in the past, I have done the little earrings that look like this, and I've used like, beads to accent them. I don't know why the stupid camera not focusing. Pearls, to make like little teardrops. Those ones are gold. Or you could just use colors if you like. But recently I realized you can make them also like dangle earrings, which I think is super cute. So I think I'm gonna sit and make a ton of these. These would also be good to sell in your shop. And the supplies for loom bands is really inexpensive. This is also good for teenagers if you have teen daughters, because you can make the hoop earring or the teardrop earring the size that you want. So you can make it as small as you want, or you can make it bigger, such as these are for me, but my daughter likes wearing the smaller ones. But just play around with it. My daughter, she enjoys making these as well. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and the link to some loom bands, I will leave it in the description box, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.